Hey guys, what's up? My name is Jennifer.
My name is Caitlin.
I'm Chris.
And today we're gonna talk about
Microwaves.
Where's the microwave?
Zoom it in closer.
Zoom it in.
Closer. A microwave. Okay, we're gonna teach y'all how to use a microwave. Are you ready?
No.
Okay then. First, please, no metal in foil. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see. What are things that you cannot put in the microwave?
Furbies.
Yes, Caitlin. Furbies aren't in it. Light bulbs. You can put light bulbs in it. Wait a minute. Let's see what we can put in the microwave. That was gay. Okay, so yeah.
What?
What do you not put in the microwave?
What do you not put in the microwave?
Don't put babies in there.
Don't put kittens.
Don't put kittens.
Octopuses. Oh shit, my phone.
I told you not to cut.
Oh, sweet Alabama. Oh, sweet home Alabama.
Bye, I'm going home. Bye.
He's going home. Bye, Chris.
Bye, Chris.
Later.
Does my phone have a text or anything? Are you making out with yourself?
And she eventually runs away to the city.
Oh my gosh.
She's scared.
I gotta go down like the stairs. I'll be right back.
This is kind of
Hug?
Anyway, she
Later.
shows her like
Said dude.
training.
Be sure to post those things on Facebook and tag me on them.
Okay.
Later.
Holy crap.